Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send documents to WhatsApp. First, open the chat with the person you want to send the document to. This process is straightforward, whether you are using an Android device or an iPhone. Knowing these steps helps ensure your important files reach their destination quickly and efficiently. We will cover everything from selecting the right attachment type to confirming delivery. Once you have opened WhatsApp, find and tap on the chat where you wish to send your document. Look for the attachment icon, which usually resembles a paperclip on Android phones or a plus symbol on iPhones, located at the bottom of the screen next to the text box. Tapping this icon will bring up a selection of options for the type of media you want to share. After tapping the attachment icon, a menu will appear with several choices like camera, gallery, audio, and document. It is crucial to select the document option specifically. This ensures your file maintains its original quality and format, rather than being compressed or converted into a picture. This step is vital for sharing professional or academic materials. Your phone's file browser will automatically open, letting you search through your internal storage or cloud services for the specific document. Select the file you want to send, for example, a PDF, a Word document, or a spreadsheet. You might see a small preview of your selected file. Confirm your choice, then press the green Send button to initiate the transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.